I'm Marc Macaluso. I was a workshop facilitator last night for the 2025 Ignite conference for the American Marketing Association of Cincinnati. Jeff Hendrickson and I did a workshop about purchasing an EV. The person purchasing was Sarah Chen, and we had about 30 people in the workshop, and it was very engaging.
They're very interactive. We get everybody working in these, and it seems to be a really good thing that people like and enjoy and really learn a lot from when they can be interactive and do things together with the team and on their own as well.
Really something I enjoy delivering, but I also saw for 2 hours a vibe with the participants that was unparalleled.